There is a claim that Chinese scientists created the coronavirus in lab, says report. A study claimed that Chinese scientists created the coronavirus in a Wuhan lab, then tried to reverse engineer versions of the virus to make it look like it evolved naturally from bats. Nearly a year and a half since COVID-19 was detected in the Chinese city of Wuhan, the question of how the virus first emerged remains a mystery. But scientists across the world have left no stone unturned to unravel the world's one of biggest mystery. A new study has claimed that Chinese scientists created the coronavirus in a Wuhan lab, then tried to reverse engineer versions of the virus to make it look like it evolved naturally from bats, the Daily Mail reported. British Professor Angus, Dalgleish and Norwegian scientist Dr Birger Sørensen wrote they have had primary evidence of retro-engineering in China since last year, but were ignored by academics and major medical journals. The UK Daily further reported that Dalgleish and Sørensen discovered unique fingerprints in the virus while analyzing COVID-19 samples in an attempt to create a vaccine. The scientists said that fingerprints could only have arisen from manipulation in a laboratory. In the 22-page paper, which is set to be published in the scientific journal Quarterly Review of Biophysics Discovery, Dalgleish and Sørensen pieced together how Chinese scientists, some working with American universities, allegedly built the tools to create the coronavirus. The scientists also highlighted that Chinese scientists who wished to share their knowledge have not been able to do so or have disappeared. Dalgleish is a London oncology professor known for breakthrough work on a vaccine for HIV. Sørensen is a virologist and chair of the pharmaceutical company Immuna, which developed a coronavirus vaccine candidate called Biovacis-19. Meanwhile, U.S. President Joe Biden has asked the U.S. intelligence community to redouble their efforts to come to a conclusion on the origins of COVID-19 and report back to him within 90 days. However, Chinese state media rejected the idea that COVID-19 had originated there and said that it is a conspiracy created by U.S. intelligence agency. Recently, former New York Times journalist Nicholas Wade published an article in the Bulletin of the Atomic Scientist where he argues that evidence is stronger than the virus leaked from a lab than that it occurred naturally. The Wall Street Journal's article also revealed that 3 researchers at Wuhan Institute fell ill in November 2019 and had to be hospitalized. Before that, an Australian daily revealed that Chinese scientists were thinking about bioweapons, visualizing a World War III scenario. In March, World Health Organization WHO Director General Tedros Ghebreyesus also called for further studies after the release of an inconclusive report on an international team's field visit to Wuhan to research the origins of COVID-19, citing difficulties accessing raw data.